Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahid Hafiz bin Muhammad Shahrizal. My friends name Muhammad Ismail bin Khairuddin and Ahmad Fakih bin Adila. We are from class AS 1162A2. Our project title is Automated Teller Machine.
Previously, client had to walk alone to a bank center to withdraw cash. Essentially, they must wait their turn due to a limited number of counter and staff to work on it. Utilizing this technology, it is possible to solve every problem that client have when attempting to withdraw their money. Program feature, card validity. Client need to enter their card number using a PIN number given. Other option, choose amount of cash needed. Receipt, display receipt. Summary of display receipt total all amount of cash and quantity state. Program component, selection, if and nested if statement, repetition, while statement, function void total amount, void display individual, void display all. Array, array pin, array total 1, array total 2, array total 3, array total 4, and array total 5. Program process, simple program to identify amount of cash, design main menu, format of receipt and summary of receipt, and then testing syntax error, runtime error, logical error, and determine result from output. Experiences outcome, communication among teammates, cooperation in completing tasks, teamwork in separating tasks.
The objective of simple automated teller machine is, first, to allow customers perform quick self-service transactions. Second, to solve cash out problem among customers. Third, to display accurate amount of cash option. And lastly, can access in both public and private property. By achieving this objective, a sample program can be created. Moving on to analysis of input, process, and output. In this program, we getting the input from the client. For starter, process of starting the system. Second, process of getting the PIN number from the client. And third, process of determining the validity of a PIN number. And next, process for displaying intended cash withdrawal preference. Then, process to get preferred amount of cash, process to calculate total amount, and lastly, process to display receipt.
We going to see the output, and then the first output is display pin number, and then display valid number for a valid pin number, display invalid for a wrong pin number, display quantity amount, display total, ask client if they want to continue yes or no. If yes, display a new quantity amount. If no, end the program.
Moving on to pseudocode. This is where client enter the information. First, they enter the PIN number, then they enter the total amount, and then they enter the array total to choose from. On to the next one. Pseudocode for array PIN number. This is to allow client to choose an array PIN. First, if PIN number array PIN 0, then your PIN number is accepted. The same goes for the others array PIN 1 to 4. Else, it will be displayed as your PIN number is invalid. Then if the PIN number is accepted, the PIN number will return to the main function. And lastly, is pseudocode for total all. Total all is if the quantity amount 5 ringgit, then total one is amount 1 that we enter the client, and multiply to 5, which is the amount that we enter. Then on to the next. If quantity amount is 10 ringgit, then the total to is the second amount is multiplied by our quantity amount that client enter, and it is the same with the others. Total 3 to 5. And lastly, to calculate the total all, they will be using the formula total all equal total 1 plus total 2 plus total 3 plus total 4 plus total 5. Then the total all function will return to its main program.
As for flowchart, I have constructed a flow that includes a various type of object to fulfill the flow for program created. First, start program with an oval shape. Second, I used an arrow to connect other object. A parallelogram represent input for user to enter the program. It can also be used as an output to display program. In this case, I use parallelogram to display welcome to ATM. A rectangle represent process. As an example, insert a card PIN number. A diamond indicate a multiple choice for user to choose, like, is your amount equal to 5 ringgit? Yes, enter amount. No, move to another program. When there's no decision left, program will move to end to finish the program. This is source code. It includes all type of C++ language, including variable, function, array, selection, repetition, and looping. The first line is IOStream library. It's an object-oriented library that provides input and output function. Using namespace is collection or identifier for function, class, variable. Void is keyword specifies that function doesn't return a variable. int, float, and array as variable. Cout is used to display output. Cin to enter input. If else is used to separate two alternatives. And lastly, while used to loop in the sample output is a finished result in our program. As it display, user enter their PIN number. If the PIN number is not stated in array PIN data, display number is invalid. If yes, move to the next step. Enter amount quantity. When it's done, display total and print receipt. Program end when user don't want to continue from us. We highly appreciate for those who watch our video until the end. Thank you for watching. Bye.